Good morning everyone, don't forget to like, comment and hit that subscribe button. Videos coming out every Friday, Saturday, Sunday and occasionally on a Monday. Today we are loading up, we're getting these on to the trailer. So come with us, watch how we load everything up. It's my first time too, so come with me and learn. They're all lined up, ready to be loaded on to the trailers. Paplow 10, Paplow 9, 8 and I think this one might be 5. Yep, Paplow 5. Here it comes. This is the moment when it starts getting loaded up. Up it goes. Yeah, as we're loading stuff up, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know what you're thinking. How cool is this? I'm so excited to get on the road.
And then you do it short and then you pull from there. Pull that, yep. And wind it up. You got the bar.
Where's the bar?
They got it up front, they'll bring it back when they're done. That is a really fucking long chain.
That's what I mean. It seems a bit.
Yes.
Waiting on a chain, is he?
Oh, yeah. Yep. Ready?
Okay, this is now chained underneath. So, to there, up to the combine and crossed back over it again.
It's good enough.
Here comes combine number 2, ready to be loaded up onto the trailer. Paul's driving the combine. We've got to put the choppers up. Here's Ben. Okay, I'll help him. A little bit of a problem because we want to move the hitch out the way, but the chain is in the way. But Ben's gonna see if we can get it on to the hook now with a lever bar. There we go. Oh. There we go. Well done.
Yep.
Goes from there. That's it. And we're just going to tension it. But we'll leave that for a minute because we always tension the front first before we tension the back. So it's all ready at the front to be tensioned. Sloppy. And that 4 chains is what hold the combines on. He's having a go. Okay, so this little dolly thing, yeah, you won't believe it, but that is going to be attached to that and be pulled by that truck and glider with the combine on as well. Crazy. So we got this with that on. Head's coming out of the way. How exciting. Paul's loading this up, getting this header attached to here. So we got this one, a truck, a combine, header. Paul's glider, the one over which you've just seen, we've got a truck, combine, trailer. What we've got left to load up is grain cart and another combine and maybe some headers here. We're trying to take this tractor and cart trailer off to put a combine trailer on this truck. Okay, so now we're hooking this truck onto this combine trailer here. Ben's just going to reverse it back up. Derek's watching him back. Slight technical issue. Derek's just coming to lift it up slightly with a forklift and then we should be on our way. The new boys are sliding it in. Rowdy and oh yeah, and Connor, that's it. Rowdy and Connor. Here he comes. Come backwards again. Just did a tug test, check it's on. Checking the tyres. Okay, so 1 combine, 2 combine. Gonna load up our 3rd combine here right now. You see these 2 have got oversized loads on and some flags. I'm just gonna put this on this one. Pass me the other chain. We'll hook it onto this bit here. We've not got a hook on the end. Has it come off?
No, I don't see it.
Is there another chain at the front? You've got no hook now. You got it? Hey, good job, Zoe. Got a new chain because we can't find a hook, so we're going for new vibes today. Now we're just getting the grain cart loaded up onto the trailer. It doesn't seem to be working, so we'll change trailer. So we had a slight problem with the other grain cart, it wouldn't go on while I was away. So we've just gone back and got another grain cart which hopefully we'll be able to load on, and then that should be all the loading for the day. But yeah, come with us as we try and attempt to load a grain cart up. Just load it up. I've just reversed this into place just right now. Just getting ready to put another combine on, I think. Anyway guys, that's that for the day. Thank you ever so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and hit that subscribe button. See you next time when we take a trip down to Texas.